Today onwards we are going to start revision. Okay, revision. Right, children. So up to now we have completed 6 chapters. Okay, today we are going to start revision about knowing our numbers. Knowing our numbers. Do you know the numbers? Suppose how many members in your family? You will say 5 members or 6 members. So how you are saying? By counting. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So okay, so that means for counting purpose also we are using this numbers. Okay, how many students in your school? You can say 1,000 students, 2,000 students. So that means here also you have to remember the numbers are very useful in our daily life to count any objects. So that purpose we are using numbers and addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. In mathematically also we are using these numbers. That much helpful to us. Okay, so like that the numbers are very useful in our daily life. Okay, children. Now how many digits you have? So digits means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These all are called digits. What are they? These all are digits. Okay, na children? Right. Now, how to compare the numbers? How to compare the numbers? Suppose 25, 42, 67, 35, 92. So, like that you can take any number. Among these, which one is greater and which one is smaller? Which is the smallest number and which is the greatest number? Okay, do you know for comparison which symbols are using? Very good. So that is less than, greater than, and one more equal. Less than, greater than symbol and equal symbol also. Okay. Now among these numbers, which is the greatest number? Observe here 25, 42, 67, 35, 92. Which is the greatest number here? Greatest here? Right. 92 is the greatest number. 92 is the greatest number. So what is the smallest number? Among all these numbers, which is the smallest? Smallest means smaller value. Smaller. So 25 is the smaller number. Smaller value. This is the smallest number among this one. Okay. So how can you represent 92 and 25? How can you compare these numbers using the symbols? Which symbol you are using to compare 92 and 25? Very good. 92 is greater. So this symbol greater, right side is always greater. Okay na? So this hand is always doing more work than this hand. Okay. So this one is greater. Greater than 25. Okay. So which is the smallest? 25 is the smallest. Then 92. Okay. So next, what about 25 and 25 is there? So which one is greater? Both are equal. So you have to use equal sign between 25 and 25. Okay, children. So these all are very different numbers. So that's why we can say which is the greatest and which is the smallest. Suppose if same numbers are there, same digits contains the number 4, 5, 9, 2 greatest. Which is the greatest? Yes, this one also you will say 4 by 92. First compare the digits. So place values. Here it contains 4 digits. Here 4 digits. 4 digits. First give the place value of these 3. These are ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Here ones, ten, hundred, thousand. So we have to start with the ones place. Compare here 3, 2. First digit 2, 3 here. Here 2. 2 and 3. Which is greater? 3 is greater. 2 less than. So that means which value is greater here? 4593 is greater than 4592. Right. 2, 5, 4. Okay. Next 4, 5, 4, 5, 9, 2. Say which one is greater here? So before going to comparing, observe here the number contains how many digits? Digits means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are called digits. This number contains how many digits? 4 digits. 4592. This is 254. So hundreds are greater, thousands greater. Yes, so thousands are greater. That means 254 is less than 4592. Children, and next take 4 digit numbers. So 4500 and 0. So 4503 and 4513. Among these two numbers, which is greater? Tell me now, which is greater? So what I say, before going to compare two numbers, first observe the number. The number contains how many digits? It contains how many digits? 4 digits. That is 3154. It contains 4 digits. Here also how many digits? 4 digits. And next observe. So here starting is 3. Here it place also 3. Same. But we are not compare which is greater. So it is not possible. So that's why go for next place value, that is tens place. Tens place, which digit contain? 1. Here 0. So tell me now, 0 and 1 both are different, but it is very easy to compare these two numbers. Which is greater? Yes, 0 is lesser than 1. That means 1 is greater than 0. Now tell me, so remaining place value, that is 100,000. So 100's place value 5, 1000 place value 4. Both numbers contains 100 value, place value and 1000 place values are same. Okay, so no need to go that much. You can compare where the digits are different. So there only you have to stop and compare. So that means among these two numbers, which one is greater? Very good. So that is 4503 is less than 4513. That means 4513 is greater than 4503. Okay, my children? Right. Okay, and next one is, how many digits can you make using? Now I am giving here 3, 8, 7, 5. How many digits? How many numbers can you make using these digits? Here I have given 4 digits. Okay, how many numbers can you make? So then next, what is the greatest and what is the smallest? Can you tell me? First, but don't repeat the digit. That means So one digit will not repeat again. So suppose if you take 5. So again 5 will not come. So that means the digit never repeated. So next we have to form, first of all how to form the greatest digit using these 4 digits. So form greatest number. So which is the greatest digit first? 8. Yes, 7, 5, 3. So using 4 digits, I have formed here the greatest number. Greatest number. And like that, form the smallest number. Smallest number. Yes, 3, 5, 7, 8 is the smallest number. So observe, is there any digit repeated? No. So here no digit is repeated. So that's why using the 4 digits I have formed one greatest number and the smallest number. So like this you can try many examples are there you have to do. Okay na children? Right. Next topic is ascending order and descending order. Do you know ascending order? Ascending order means ascending order. Yes, smaller number to bigger number, smallest to greatest value. So suppose 5, 9, 15, 25, okay, 0, 92, 65 and next to 73, 2. Okay, so how can you arrange these numbers? So ascending order means arrange the numbers from smaller to bigger, right? Okay, ascending order. So arrange now smaller to bigger number. Which is the smallest number here? Yes, 0. Okay, 0. Next 2. Right? Next 3, 5. So 5 after 6, 7, 8. Right? 9 is the next value. 9, 15. After 15, after 17. Next 25. After 65 and 92. Okay. Using these numbers, we have arranged from smaller to bigger. Ascending order means value is going to increasing. That means smaller to bigger. Okay. Now, next is descending order. Descending order. Descending order means yes, bigger to smaller. Arrange that all numbers from bigger to smaller. Which one is the bigger value? 92, 65, 25, 17, 15, 9, right, 5, 3, 2, 0, 0. Okay. So this is ascending order and this one is descending order. Now tell me what is mean by successor? Successor. Do you know? Have you heard this one? Yes, you heard this one. Okay, successor means if you add 1 to given number. What is the successor of 2? So add 1. I said add 1 to given number. Okay, what is the successor of 2? 3. Okay, right. If you subtract 1 from the given number, you will get its right predecessor. 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 Okay, na children? If you add 1 to the given number, you will get its successor. If you subtract 1 from the given number, you will get its predecessor. Like that, successor of 5 is 6. Successor of 6 is 7. Okay. So, what is the predecessor of 5? 4. Predecessor of 3? 2. Okay. So, remember, successor means plus 1. Predecessor means minus 1. So, these terms also you have to learn. You have to remember in your mind. Okay, children. Now, up to now, you have seen what is the use of numbers. Numbers contains how many digits? So, digits means 0 to 9. 0 to 9 are called digits. Okay. How to compare the numbers? For comparison of numbers, which symbols are using? Yes, less than, greater than, and equal symbols. Okay, na children? Now, you have seen how to arrange the numbers from bigger to smaller, smaller to bigger. Thus, that arranging order is called ascending order and descending order. Ascending order means smaller to bigger. Descending order means bigger to smaller. And so I will explain with example also. So here some steps are there. You have to reach from here to there. So that means how to climb, how to reach that place. You have to go one by one. So this place to this is step 1, next step 2, this is step like this. So this procedure is called ascending order. So if you want to reach downside, you have to start from, yes, you have to move top to bottom. So you have to reduce one step after one step like that. Then only you will reach the final place. Then only you will reach your destination. So that is called descending order. Descending order. And next we have learned how to using digits. So how many numbers can you make? That one also we have learned. Okay, na children? And not only that, successor and predecessor. Successor means add 1 to given number. Predecessor means subtract 1. Okay, right children? So in this revision class, we have learned these all topics. So we have to practice carefully. In the textbook also you have many problems are there. So next page number 3 and page number 2, 3, okay, and page number 5. Page number 5. So you have to do yourself. Okay, na children? Right. So today we have homework, that is revision only. Okay, up to now how much we have completed, that one you have to do revision yourself.
Okay children, so I given homework on the screen. Be careful. Observe there chapter 1 knowing our numbers, page number 2 to 5. Okay, so try these problems. That problems I given page number 2 to 5. Okay children, so this one is very important. Revision is very important. You should practice carefully. Why? Because October 12th your midterm exams will start. That's why today onwards we are doing this revision. Okay na children? So you have to practice carefully. Once again go through the textbook and classwork also. What you have learned, everything you have to watch and practice carefully. Okay children?